Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what you need and acting now. Wash your hands, grab tissues and a saline spray, and sit upright to allow drainage. Start with a saline rinse or 0.9% saline spray because it clears allergens and thins mucus. It also reduces sneezing reflexes by washing irritants away. If symptoms began after exposure, remove the trigger, change clothes, and move indoors. Once done, rest and sip water to keep mucus hydrated while you move to the next steps. Now you focus on targeted control. If sneezing and runny nose are allergy-driven, take an oral antihistamine. It blocks histamine to reduce itching and discharge. For nasal congestion, use a short course of a decongestant or topical spray, but limit to 3 days to prevent rebound congestion. Apply a warm compress over your sinuses to loosen mucus and relieve pressure. Make sure to breathe slowly through your nose while compressing. This helps transport fluid out and calms irritation. Finish by consolidating relief and watching for warning signs. Use a steroid nasal spray daily if symptoms persist. It reduces underlying inflammation over days, not minutes. Keep saline rinses and antihistamines as maintenance tools and avoid irritants like smoke. If symptoms last more than 10 days, worsen, or include fever and thick discolored mucus, see a clinician for possible infection. Troubleshooting tip: if sprays or meds seem ineffective, stop decongestant sprays and switch to steroid spray.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.